etheric body, this which has the prana in it, this is more or less all the time. If you had attended my previous videos, seen my previous videos, there I have also mentioned the law of correspondence, that whatever affects the energy body, affects the physical body as well. So more or less this etheric body or the prana that's in this etheric body is it's like always combined and always in touch with the physical body, and it's like both of them are together. So is there any time that this separation happens? The physical body, does it ever get separated from the etheric body? So this happens when there is a death. I mean, the physical body is the physical body has died, or there is an accident, or there is any use of anesthesia in the body, or there is any if you've heard of mesmerism. So if anybody does something of that sort to us, then these are the only 4 factors. There could be a few more, but these are the main factors which cause a separation of this very important etheric body which contains the prana from our physical body. Yeah. So what happens is, so during death, there is a phenomena where the energy body gets separated from the physical body. That's number 1. What happens during accident is, if it is a sudden, say a road accident, so in such a case, the body goes through a shock. It's a forceful instance, and in such a case, the energy body does not know what to do. And what happens is, during such a time, it either it goes through a shock and it just separates from the energy body. And sometimes also, actually this comes here, especially during the use of anesthesia in the body. At that time, the exact scientific phenomena or what exactly happens scientifically, I don't know, but I have read in the books that the energy body somehow gets detached from the physical body for some time during that procedure. And since it kinds of distances from the physical body, it goes and wraps around the astral body for that particular, for those hours or those minutes, and once it stabilizes, it comes back. This actually I experienced myself. Recently I had a tooth removal and I was given local anesthesia. So it so happened that I had read something about anesthesia and the energy body, and just this real incident happened to me. So I was actually driving somewhere, and after the procedure I had to drive back. So after the procedure I had to drive back, and for a after the anesthesia was given, when I was driving back, I was just very physically driving. I really somehow did not feel the connection or that mental processing that this is where I have to go next, or this is. So I was like zoned out for a few minutes. I was just driving mechanically. So it actually, I experienced it myself, and it was a small, very less anesthesia given probably. I don't know what happens during surgeries or major surgeries when a good amount of anesthesia is given. So I don't know if you can share any of your experiences, but this was my own experience when I was given anesthesia, and I really felt for a few minutes that I was a little gone somewhere else.